Hi friends, welcome to my channel Rakhi Reviews. So before starting the video, I would request everyone to please subscribe to my channel and do hit the like button if you find this video useful, so that it motivates me to bring more such interesting videos for you. So let's get started with the review. So today we are going to review Philips Precision Trimmer for Women. So this trimmer code is, as you can see, it's written HP6388 and the maximum retail price is 1595, that is 1595 rupees, approximately 1600 rupees. So I purchased this product from Flipkart and it was a great deal because Flipkart was offering offer when you can purchase this product for just 149 by paying 1000 super coins. So those who are not aware of super coins, let me tell you shortly that these super coins you get on purchasing the products from Flipkart. It gets accumulated over time, and with this super coins you can purchase many products from Flipkart at nominal price. So I purchased this product from Flipkart at 149 rupees and paying 1000 super coins which I had accumulated. Okay, this is coming back to the packet. This packet consists of a precision trimmer along with a AAA battery and up two small attachments. As you can see, it's mentioned here, one is a brush and others a small brush like attachment. So before showing you the review, I have actually utilized this product so that I can bring you the accurate or the correct review. So let's see what is there in the package. Let me unbox it again for you guys. So it contains one pen sized trimmer. As you can see, this is a pen sized trimmer along with two cards. One is a warranty card, if you can see it. The other one is a manual, how to fit the attachments, how to use the product. So remember one important thing, that you are not supposed to wash the product. You can only clean the product with the help of the brush they have, or the brush that they are offering along with this product. So beware that never use water with this product. So as you can see, I will show you product attachments. One is a hair brush, which you can see, this brush, extra hair you can remove from the blade, and this is a small attachment which removes the extra hair over the eyebrow up to length of 2 mm to 4 mm. So these are the minimal attachments with this product, and I find this very good because you need not bother about the attachments. And of course, one AAA battery along with this packet you are receiving. So as soon as you utilize or finish this battery, you can purchase it from the market. Readily available, it is readily available. So as you can see, the design of the product is very sleek and it is very handy, portable. You can carry it with you in your handbag, in your purse, anywhere. And you can see also the look and feel is also very classy. The color and the color scheme is also very classy and finish is too good. It is very handy. As you can see it is easily comes in your palm, in your grip. So when I open this product, it looks like this with a very small blade. It comes with a very small tiny blade, but remember, since I have used this product, I will tell you that you have to be very careful with this tiny blade because it is very precise, and it can also have, it is powerful at the same time, and it can wipe off your entire eyebrow if you are not careful. You have to spend some time with this product. Let's say you should have some time in hand when you're using this product. You should not be in a hurry, because you want to remove the extra hair from the eyebrow, not the entire eyebrow. So this is a very good product. I would say it is sharp, and it is not that sharp, you can say, because it is not cutting my skin, but definitely it will cut off the extra hair, remove the extra hair. So it is sharp enough to wipe off the extra hair, but it is not sharp on your skin. So this sharpness wise, I would say it is perfect for the skin. It is painless, absolutely painless. When I have used it thrice, almost twice or thrice, it is absolutely painless. You can remove the extra hair from your eyebrow and hair growth on your upper lips. It is very handy, and as you can see, this got a switch here. This is a switch, power button. The noise you can see is, you can hear the noise. It is not that noisy, and yet it does the work perfectly. So it has three important usage as per me. First one is that, or you can say advantage, first one is that you need not go outside frequently, because these are the times when we need to stay at home. And secondly, it is economical, because you need not spend much money outside. As when you go, you have to spend a lot of money in your salon and all. But again, the third point is that it comes as a handy device. You can keep it with you in times of emergency, when you are having an occasion or a function and immediately you want to use it. You can use this product, and it saves time. So three advantages in one product, that is, it is economical, and it saves time, and it becomes very handy device, and saves your risk from going outside. So this, you can see, is very beautiful product. It's absolutely sleek and classy. So I would just show you how this brush works. You can just clean the extra hair from this blade. You should not wash the blade at any cost. You just need to clean it with the help of this brush, small brush. And this attachment, as I said, you have to run if it is required. If you feel it's required, there is extra hair length over your eyebrow which needs to be removed, then this attachment, as you can see, this product has got some ridges, two ridges. Simply you have to run this with a click. You know that this is perfectly finished, and you can use your product ready to use. Just run it over your eyebrows. It won't wipe off your eyebrow, this attachment, because it is meant only for removal of the extra length of the hair up to 2 to 4 mm. So as I said, this is a very great product at a great price, 1600 approximate price of 1595. And also you get many offers during sale and during functions or pujas. So you can definitely go for this product if you are looking for something which is very economical and handy, and you want to carry it with you all the time. If you are really looking for such a product, then this is the one. Please go for it, buy it. And also it comes along with a manual where you can see how the attachments are fixed, and also the usage is perfect for eyebrows and upper lips. These are the common things which every girl looks for. And this comes along with a warranty card as well. It's got a warranty of approximately 2 years, which they say in this product. So overall I would say this is a great deal, and definitely you guys should look for such a product in any website during offer or sale and go for it. Thanks for watching my video, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you find it useful. Thank you.